Conversion for Jesus. Dol Patton comes up next with a song when the roll is called up Yona. And this is KABS Jeremiah. Ontiri, stay tuned to give you more. This song was covered by Kenny Rogers on his 1999 album, She Rides Wild Horses. It was recorded by Simmons Egan and the band Solas in 2000 on their album, The Hour Before Dawn. Andy Bernard also sings an acoustic version of the song on the 9th season episode of The Office entitled Living the Dream. This song opened the series finale of Melrose Play's Ashes to Ashes in 1999. I'm Jeremiah Ontiri. I Will Remember You by Chris Gaith. Stay tuned. I don't know what you get from a song or from a movie. I was watching Diary of a Mad Black Woman. I loved this song so much. Stay tuned. So many things are done in the name of faith. And if you are wondering, I told you earlier, South African pastor makes members eat grass. Watch him command the demon out of a woman's stomach. By the way, in a worldly unorthodox demonstration of how humans can be controlled by the Holy Spirit and eat just about anything to feed their bodies, a South African pastor made members of his church eat grass. And a video of him commanding a demon out of a woman's stomach might also give us the chills. And according to a report in African Spotlight, Pastor Lesego Daniel of Rabboni Center Ministries had his followers eating grass after explaining in a sermon that Jesus had many other disciples other than the 12 listed in the traditional Bible who were doing some things which were considered unconventional at the same time as well. This is KABS with Jeremiah. Until stay tuned, I will be giving you more. This Easter, I don't know what you did for your God. Captain Hepo Emory, the radio personality thousands relied upon for Atlanta traffic updates, is being remembered this week as a caring cheerful voice. You want to know why? Stay tuned. Paul May coming up next, leaning on everlasting arms. To KABS Gospel, I'm Jeremiah Ontiri. By the way, seeking comfort in prayer, hundreds of Palestinians gathered at the Greek Catholic Church in Ramallah's old city to solemnly commemorate Good Friday during the long weekend that marks when Jesus is believed to have been crucified, buried, and resurrected more than 2,000 years ago. During what's known as the funeral procession, Palestinian Christians reenacted the burial of Jesus along with a lengthy ritual of prayer, gospel recitations, and hymn singing. Later, the Catholic congregation joined the Greek Orthodox worshippers from a nearby church together, and with a choir and a marching band of a local scout troop, they completed a circuit around the Orthodox church, holding a shrine symbolizing Jesus' casket. By the way, this year, both Orthodox and Catholic churches, which normally mark Easter at different times, celebrated the whole day at the same week, also coinciding with the Jewish Passover. By the way, and also reminding you, if I was in Palestine right now, we should not be talking about me. That means you will not be hearing me on air. What does that mean? Stay tuned. I will be letting you know more why I should not be there if I was born in Palestine at this time of the year. Jeremiah Ontiri on KABS Gospel. Losing someone or something you love or care deeply about is very painful. You may experience all kinds of difficult emotions, and they may feel like the pain and sadness you are experiencing will never let you go. These are normal reactions to a significant loss, but while there is no right or wrong way to grieve, there are healthy ways to cope with the pain that in time can renew you and permit you to move on. A special dedication to those ones who have lost their loved ones. Jim Reeves comes up next, Across the Bridge. I'm Jeremiah Ontiri. Stay tuned. This is where music don't stop, and I will be giving you more on KABS Gospel. You may as well be feeling that everybody has left you. Nobody is caring for you. But I want to assure you today, when you are listening to Where Music Don't Stop, KABS Jeremiah Ontiri, from a distance, God is watching. So don't give up.